I'm keeping an eye on Kohls. Of course, this is the news that everyone's been really looking through, parsing through. The CEO was removed from the board, and the CEO will be stepping down. This is after the board found out that Ashley Buchanan, the CEO, was being pushed the company to enter into a multi-million-dollar consulting agreement where they found out that that same individual was also a part of the consulting team. And it was made clear that Mr. Buchanan did not disclose this relationship as was required under the company's code of ethics. So, of course, that's going to be a shakeup at Kohls. And they did put in an interim CEO that they pulled from the board. So great for Kohls in that scenario. But we are seeing shares of the company higher, up about 7% right now. So it seems as though Wall Street is happy that this is being cleared up here, but definitely a lot of uncertainty when you look at it on a broader landscape. I mean, we're seeing Kohl's shares down about 49% so far this year. So brutal year for the company thus far.
Yeah, talk about brutal. All right, let's go to Eli Lilly. That stock around the lows of the session, down about 8%. What happened here that's giving so much angst to investors?
So what's happening here with Eli Lilly is the CVS situation that's going on there. So CES said that it will be dropping Eli Lilly's weight loss drug Zepbound. They will then be turning toward Novo Nordisk's Wegovy drug instead. So, of course, this isn't great news for Eli Lilly to lose such a deal like that. We're seeing Eli Lilly shares down about 8% right now. But we are seeing Novo Nordisk shares up just a touch, about 0.5% right now. But we do think that, of course, this is some great news for Novo Nordisk to be getting this deal with CVS for a stock that's been down about 22% this year in comparison to Eli Lilly's 7% gain.
Microsoft. How about that one?
I mean, that's really been pushing indexes higher as we're seeing information technology, the best performing group in the S&P 500 today. Shares of Microsoft are up about 2%, but they were really hitting some highs. This is after its third quarter results beat expectations. Of course, we're in the midst of these tech earnings, and people are really looking to see there's a really high bar for these companies and whether or not they're actually able to meet them or surpass them. So here for Microsoft, the company's cloud business was seen as a highlight, and they're seeing that it continues to benefit from the demand in its AI services, which we know AI has been a hot topic.
Yep, 16 points AI contributed to Azure growth. That's up from 13 points the previous quarter.
Wow.
Like they are making money on that investment, period. All right, Nora, thanks a lot. Really appreciate Nora Melinda joining us from Bloomberg News. And for more conversations like this, go ahead and listen to our Stock Movers podcast. Subscribe for 5-minute episodes on the biggest winners and losers in the stock market. Listen to Stock Movers on Apple, Spotify, or on anywhere you get your podcasts.